Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off this morning, about to do something I wasn't planning on doing with Queen Bee. About to install a tow hitch and tow something for my cousin. Where does the madness end? Kicking off the day, St. Robert, Missouri. Man, putting that tow hitch on yesterday kicked my behind. The bolts going into the back of the frame from the C70 were too long for Queen Bee. Back and forth on that. Finally got those in. Then I had a part wrong for my drawbar. Had to go get that. Then the wire harness I purchased wasn't complete. Didn't have the transformer. Had to go deal with that. Yada yada yada. Anyway, finally got it going. Went and picked up this. Man, normally putting a tow hitch on is less than an hour job. It took me 4 hours running back and forth looking for hardware and all that stuff to get that straight. Strange situation. Anyway, got the trailer on. I put more stuff in the trailer than I had anticipated. So Queen Bee is struggling a little bit. Not engine-wise, transmission-wise. So I'm trying not to blow up the transmission. I rode 3-4 hours in drive. Talked to my mechanic, Alan. He recommended that since it's popping in third so much, just drive it in third. So I'm rolling down the freeway now in third gear. About 60 miles an hour. Seems to be comfortable. Just under boost. Going upgrades, I'm at 0 boost up to 2 or 3. While I'm cruising flat, I'm probably at I guess about 3 or 4 inches of mercury, maybe 5. So we're rolling along. We got another maybe 8 hours of driving today before we hit Oklahoma City. This trip with this U-Haul on the back is 935 miles. So we're gonna keep it moving, getting less bugs at a slower speed. But hey, when I get that U-Haul off the back of that car in Oklahoma, I'm gonna be flying to New Mexico. Kicked off the day, took Mom to the grocery store, washed her car off, vacuumed it, but she got me. She left her window cracked just a little bit. I didn't notice it when I washed it. Got her interior wet. Couldn't see it sitting down. Should have hit that button. Anyway, time to go wash that bug killer over there. Spent most of yesterday killing bugs with it. Queen Bee the bug killer. There it is, folks. Queen Bee the bug killer. Time to go do something about that. I'm also going to try to find me a better grill. That grill is fading on me. Clean up Queen Bee. She's dirty. Just put about 5,000 miles on her. I washed the front end to get rid of some of them bugs, but not the rest of it. Wash could not get Queen Bee clean. So I'm going to have to find some place to hand wash this car, get some good wax on it. That 5,000 miles of road work just made it too dirty to clean. S60. What's going on? Is the speedo acting up? The ABS light on?
ABS light is on.
ABS light on. We're going to replace the ABS module we got from Midwest ABS. And hopefully that'll clear that up and he'll have his ABS system going. So I'm going to do another one a little later today. So I'll try to redo my step-by-step on that one. Learn how to reach that stuff a little easier. But I'm going to pull this, disconnect the mass airflow sensor, move the air box out of the way and then reach under there that way. That's the quickest way to get at it. It went well, short of this is not a Trax module, but I ordered a Trax module. So I need to find a Trax module to return to Midwest ABS. So we're ready to fire it up. Should drive it a mile or two. The light should go out and you should be good to go. Peaches. And Peaches has a bad mass airflow sensor. When you plug the sensor in, it dies. The throttle body intake tube was loose. Wasn't a mass airflow sensor after all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the center console out of a 2006 S60. And what you want to do is open up the armrest on the driver's side. You come in here, you pull out this rubber piece, and you got two T25s down there. Then you open up this thing here, pry this up. I think you really got to get are the two T25s down there. Then once you get those two out, this may pull up and out, but there looked like there was two T25s in the bottom of it as well. And that stuff comes out of your way. So that's how you get this center console out. I hope it helps. Fast and dirty. Back two screws. The last front two screws I showed you, and there's a plug in the back of it, and it works up over this shifter stuff. And you got it out, and I just pulled the front of it down and out, and it's all apart. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.